Hello friends, welcome to this video where I will teach you how to make caramel that stays liquid to coat all your favorite desserts and cakes. We will immediately see these in pictures. To make your liquid caramel we will need few ingredients, just sugar and water divided into two parts. We start as for a normal caramel, by putting in a small saucepan the small amount of cold water. We also add the sugar and gently mix water and sugar. We put on medium heat and we will cook until the desired color, that of caramel. When your caramel starts to color, stay very vigilant. When the well-tanned or caramel color is almost reached, quickly remove yourself from the heat and place the pan on your work surface. It's the remaining part of water. This is the largest part of water. It must be very hot. You can heat in the microwave. Be careful now. Stay a bit away and pour the boiling water in 2 or 3 times. The caramel then begins to boil. Let it rest. It will quickly stop. Then just put the caramel back on the heat, bring it to the boil for 30 seconds. We remove it from the heat, let it cool completely and it's ready. You can now coat your favorite desserts with this delicious liquid caramel. That's it, friends. I hope you've enjoyed this little trick, and I'll see you soon for the next video.